walking down the middle of the road.
Hey, Annie.
Hi. This might be the most I've seen in Philadelphia.
There's a lot of snow.
Look at these cars.
It's the blizzard of the century.
Look at these cars. Like someone shoveled the sidewalk and put it on that car.
That's funny. I think it's hilarious that everybody's walking down the streets.
There is going to be a car behind us.
Yeah, but no one's walking on the sidewalks. There's no cars going around. Very few. And everybody's just walking down the streets. That's funny. This guy's so stuck. He's stuck.
I think it feels just like home.
It's not bad. We get this much snow at home a lot. But for here, this is kind of crazy.
They don't know what to do with it.
They don't. There's not enough room to move the snow off the roads for the cars to go. So
There's no cars going.
there's no cars. It's just become, look at these people
Just standing.
standing in the middle of the street. Here comes a truck. This is Broad Street. This truck's gonna go.
He's looking at his phone or something.
Oh, well, let's go then.
Oh, no,
Here,
yeah.
now he goes. Broad Street? Oh, it's hilarious. Oh. Just like on the trail. Slide down the slide into the pile of snow.
Into a pile of snow.
Maybe. We shouldn't go. I don't think it matters. We just don't have any place to put it. Funny. Very aerodynamic. Get it all. Wow. He got it all. The cleanest street we've been on is being plowed again. That makes no sense. Look at this sidewalk.
You know, maybe.
Look at the sidewalk.
Wow, maybe that guy who runs
We're gonna
that
walk
plow
on that sidewalk.
was assigned this street. He was.
He's just really
Yeah,
good.
he's really good.
That was his.
Everyone
This is
else
his assigned
sucks.
street.
He's from Corey.
And he's from Corey. He just keeps going up and down it, up and down it. The salt melt. Look, it's gonna be plowed again. Drop it. Do it. Plow it again. Yes.
I'll tell you what.
The best street because it's got two plows, guys, from
If you
Corey.
want to live on a clear street in Philadelphia,
What is this?
take South.
Oh, South. Yeah, but just this section of South off Broad.
Yeah, that's true.
Great.
Just to the east of Broad, because
Because look ahead of us. That street has not been touched. It's a team sport. We've got one. We've got two. We've got three. I know, I'll throw that. And we've got four.